Hi everyone. In this video we will see all valid data types used to specify size of an array. Size of an array determines the number of elements it can store. This number cannot be negative. However, array of size 0 is valid. Let's see. Here I am declaring a string array of size 1. It is completely valid. If I change the size to -1 and run it, I get this negative array size exception. Hence, the size of an array should be a non-negative number. However, it can be 0. 0 is valid. Array of size 0 is valid. Remember, the compiler converts the size of an array to int. So anything specified over here should be in the valid range of the int, and it should be non-negative. The maximum range of int is, let me paste this number. So this is the maximum size or the maximum number of elements an array can store in Java. If I add 8 to it, this is not a valid range. That's why I'm getting a compilation error saying type int is out of range. So anything mentioned over here should be in the valid range of an integer. Here we can also store the size of an array in a variable. And place this variable in this box. This is completely valid. Yeah, I'm getting out of memory error because the size is too big. Okay, I change it to 1. So the size can also be stored in a variable. So these are all the data types that are there in Java. And let's see which variables are acceptable to be specified as the size of this array. I have byte b, yes, b is valid. Then I have a char ch variable, this is valid. A variable s of type short. Oops, I'm getting this error because there's already a variable s. So I'll change it to sh. Yes, short is valid. Int I, yes, it will obviously be valid. Then we have long, float and double. These three variables have size greater than that of int. These three variables will hold values that are greater than the range of an integer. Let's try to place long L as the array size. Here I'm getting a compilation error, cannot convert from long to int. This is because the compiler is converting it to int. Similarly, if I change it to float f, I'm getting a compilation error again, cannot convert from float to int. And if I change to double D, again a compilation error, cannot convert from double to int. So these three are invalid, and these are the valid data types that can be used to specify the size of an array. There are other videos related to arrays in this playlist, so you check them out. Thank you.